heading down to the restaurant to have some breakfast. And she's already down there. So today we're gonna leave our hotel room and pick up our motorhome to travel around Tasmania. So just walk into the restaurant in our hotel. There is a restaurant there. We're gonna have some breakfast and then we'll be on our journey. So we are having a buffet breakfast. What are you gonna have, love?
I've just had a little bit of cereal.
Yeah. So there's a full buffet here. You can see all the foods there. I don't know what to eat, too many choices there. Let's have a look. Little plates there. Just gonna have some food now. Yeah, we just got the call from the taxi driver. He's already here, 20 minutes early. So we're just gonna finish our breakfast. This way, ready for the day. We're gonna be going in the motorhome. Coffees, breakfast, beautiful view out there. Absolutely beautiful Hobart. You must visit Hobart. Yeah. Now what? I'm going to show you one thing. I'm going to press all the buttons now.
No, don't.
Look at me. I'm going to press this
Don't,
one.
don't.
What if we open it?
No, don't touch anything.
She's scared in the lift.
Beautiful view.
Yeah.
And all the glassware spotless.
Yeah.
So clean and
She's
nice.
scared of me in the lift.
Yeah.
Oh no. So the luggage is packed and ready to go. So we're just gonna get your taxi from here to pick up our motorhome and then start traveling around Tasmania for next 2 weeks. We're gonna go to the reception to pay the rest of the bill and then we're gonna head to the taxi. It's all done. We're gonna leave the Grand Chancellor now. Sven and myself, bit of a car stay out there. There he is. There's our taxi there waiting for us. How are you, Tilk? Good morning. He's already waiting there. We had beautiful days in Hobart, so it's the time to leave and continue our adventure.
I'm very sad to leave Hobart.
Yeah, it's such a beautiful city.
Yeah, it really is lovely, Raj.
We met some really nice people too.
Yes.
And Tilak is one of them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And he has been waiting for us from the last 20 minutes. Peak our traffic look like in Hobart. Cruisin Motor Homes.
Change. So I don't.
No change there. That's alright.
36. So I'll give them $14. This is I don't have change.
No, that's alright. You can keep the.
Really?
Yeah, you keep it. Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You waited for us.
God. Thank you.
Nah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
We're here now. The Cruisin Motor Homes. They're over here. That's alright. So we're gonna pick up our motorhome from here now. Yeah.
Tasmania?
Yeah, we are at the Cruisin Motor Homes now. We're gonna pick up our motorhome. There's a map of Tasmania there. We will be exploring that map. And here's the Cruisin Motor Home. Good, thank you. How are you?
I'll show you the basic thing. So with this one, the fuel key and the ignition key is same. All right. We use the same key to unlock the fuel key cap. We'll just put it and we'll just twist it.
Yep.
All right.
Diesel.
Exciting
Yeah.
day. Yeah.
That's my side.
That's your side, and this is for the awning.
For the awning,
It's,
yeah.
So it's unwinder.
Oh, you understand what you're saying.
And there's the table behind the driver's seat, so outdoor table.
Yeah, the type is there, yep. Alright. This is our home for next 2 weeks.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you got chairs inside,
Yep, chairs
Oh, yeah,
inside
yeah.
there.
the grey water hose, the fresh water one, and the 240 volt lid.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So with the awning, we'll just hook it up.
Look it up there, yep. Yeah.
That's your manual.
Yeah, so we'll be touring Tasmania in the motorhome. Alright, we're gonna start cruising now. Hello everyone. We just stopped at this shopping center and we're gonna go and get some groceries for our trip. A red wine, maybe some whiskey or something, we'll see. This way, and what are you gonna get today, love?
Oh, wait, no, till I go in there.
Yeah.
And then we're going to have to stay there and stack it all properly.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
All right, the fun starts. So our first shopping for the motorhome, and then we stop somewhere else, and you guys just keep watching and enjoy the Hobart with us in Tasmania. We're gonna go
Now
to
at Glenorchy,
Glenorchy.
Central Plaza.
Yeah, we are at the Glenorchy Central Plaza. In Tasmania, wherever you go, you have to check in. Everywhere you go. Because of the COVID. Oh, there's some chilies. We just finished shopping. We got some wine glasses, wine, some candles, some groceries. arrived at our first national park in Tasmania, and we're gonna adventure around here. We're just going to get the pass. So be with us, and yeah, we'll see what we can find here. Here we are, the national park, Mount Field National Park, and we're just going to get the pass. Yeah, and all the information. A lot of waterfalls and some other things to see around here. So we are staying in the park here, and we are going to cook some barbecue, and Wanda, she's doing all the cooking while I went to the motorhome to make a cup of coffee for her. Just walk into the barbecue area. It's a beautiful area. There's a flowing river right near it. There she is. What are you cooking there, Vaughn?
Chicken, but it's not cooking.
Nah?
No,
Cooking
it's
slow.
very raw.
It's alright. It'll take some time. Looks nice, the smells nice. Ooh, beautiful. Oh yeah, you're doing a good job there. You're not too cold there. There are some sitting areas here where you can sit and have your meal. There's another barbecue there. A sink. Few more tiles. And there's a river just here. There's big tall trees here. You might not be able to see in the dark. We'll come back here in the morning and you can hear the river. And we'll come back here in the morning. And this is the barbecue area. She's doing all the hard work, right? Huh? No.
I'll sleep well tonight, I tell you.
Well, look at the camera and tell you had a good day today.
I'm exhausted.
Ah, yeah?
Yeah. I'll sleep well tonight.
I think we need another holiday after this holiday.
This holiday, now the
Oh,
holiday to get
no.
over the holiday.
Yeah, but we're having a beautiful time here. Oh, it's just magnificent, isn't it, Vaughn?
Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. And tomorrow we're gonna go to the waterfalls and go to the dam and where else? And come back here
Come
again.
back here.
We're gonna come back here again tomorrow.
Adventure around here, look for some
Possums,
platypus.
platypus, possums, and some other wildlife and that. And so you guys just stay tuned and keep watching our epic creations. And not sure if you can smell the food, but it looks delicious. Coming on nice. We just finished our cooking and look what we spotted. A little possum. Hello, possum. Hello, beautiful one. How are you today? Oh, I love you. You know that we love you. Oh, you're so beautiful. Australian possum. It's alright, it's alright. Oh, you are so beautiful. Come here, little one. You know we love ya. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on, beautiful one.